Question number 20 states that of the retail sector's 1991 contribution to arts, 1/4 went to orchestras and half of the remainder. So half of whatever amount was left after contributing to orchestra went to television. Then how many $1 million more did retail sector contributed to public television than orchestras? So first we need to find what was the contribution to orchestra in terms of dollars or $1 million and compare it with what was the contribution to public television. So we know that in 1991 retail sector contributed around 88% of the total contribution of all the sector. The total was $520 million. So this can be written as 0.08 multiplied by 520, which you can use your on-screen calculator and find that it is equal to $41.6 million. Now it says that 1/4 of this has been contributed to orchestras. So simply orchestras contribution amount is equal to 1/4 of 41.6, that is 10.4. Now whatever is remaining when retail sector has already contributed this amount to orchestra, whatever amount remains, half of that goes to television. So let us first calculate what is the amount remaining after the contribution to orchestra. So this is easily done by subtracting the contribution to orchestra from the total contribution made by retail sector in 1991. So 41.6 minus 10.4, which is equal to 31.2. But this is the remaining amount. Only half of this went to television. So the contribution received by television is equal to 31.2 multiplied by 1/2. This is 15.6. Now the difference is between the difference between the contribution to TV or television and the contribution to orchestra is 15.6 minus 10.4, that is equal to $5.2 million. So the correct answer is option A.